Hi, this is Keith with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. I apologize for the wind. I'm trying to do it when there's less wind, but it's not cooperating. Got a heavy haul for you today. It's a 2019 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, 44-inch flat top sleeper, platinum interior, full gauges, no navigation, just full gauges on this. 20,000 pound steer axle, 23,000 liftable non-steerable, and 46,000 pound rears. And this is probably one of the prettiest trucks I've seen in a long time. Legendary gray, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then we got Radiant Fire Red. Redfire Effect, I think is what it's called. Absolutely looks stunning together. Absolutely beautiful. This one is sold, but we are gonna add some extra lights up to the top and a drop visor, do a few other things, breather lights, all that stuff. Got a medium def tank, 391 gears in this truck. We got an 80-gallon fuel tank on this side and 120 on the other side, 200-gallon total fuel capacity. Got the 6 rear load lights and a rear dark tinted rear window. And PDI, they forgot to put the antenna on there, but it's got the back of sleeper antenna. Tall rubber on the back, 11R24.5s. New, just out Michelin XDS 2s. Pretty aggressive grip. Pretty aggressive tire. Peterbilt air track suspension. It's a 4-bag suspension, very tough suspension. It was developed in the logging world. Full lockers on this. We got a 72-inch air slide fifth wheel. This one we just did drums on the back. We decided not to do the disc brakes. Polished wheels. Did the round hole to match the steer axle. 120-gallon tank on this side. Paint doesn't pop unless the sun's on it. This legendary gray. See if we can open it up so we can take a look at the motor. It's Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 2,050 foot-pounds of torque. It's got dual steering gears, and we got disc brakes on the front, which is standard. And then the new single pass EPF system, a little lighter, holds heat a little better, much better system than previous years. Got the other side. I do Davco fuel filters. A little better in the colder climate. Remote lube. Here's the other steering gear. This truck is a 275-inch wheelbase. Turns exceptionally well. They were wanting something a little bit shorter on a heavy haul because they're in and out of a lot of construction sites. So we just needed to get it a little nicer turning. I'll show you the platinum interior. 7 miles on this truck. Full gauges. We had a couple more here, but we needed the switches. AM, FM, Bluetooth. 18 speed. We got the auxiliaries. Factory CB. Did the Peterbilt Ultra Ride seats with the fold-away armrests, which is nice on the 389s because it gives you a little more room in between the seats because it's a little tight. And then we got the 44-inch flat top, which is basically just enough to come in and sit. The speakers, light. Get your AC controls here. Extra light. But this truck is, this one's currently sold, but I'm going to be putting some more of these on order because I absolutely love this spec, and I think it'll do really well, especially being a 275-inch wheelbase. So I just thought I'd run this truck by you. I appreciate you taking the time to look at it. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. We take trades. We'll order you anything you want, as many as you want. Just give us a holler. 970-691-3877. Appreciate you taking the time. Bye.